Welcome to the MindSpark Technologies technical video on ERP. In this video, we'll explore the cutting edge of ERP software development, where every line of code shapes the future of businesses worldwide. In this video, we'll delve deep into the power of ERP solutions, unraveling their complexities and showcasing their transformative power.
What's ERP? ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. It's software aiding businesses in managing finances, HR, manufacturing, and supply chains. Let's see how it benefits small and large companies. For small businesses like local bakeries, ERP software is a lifesaver. It helps manage inventory, orders, and finances efficiently, ensuring smooth operations. Meanwhile, large companies like multinational retailers need ERP for managing stores worldwide. It provides real-time data on inventory, sales, and customers, aiding in decision-making. ERP is vital across industries. In manufacturing, it optimizes production and resource allocation. In healthcare, it streamlines patient records and inventory.
From small to large businesses, ERP software boosts efficiency and productivity. MindSpark Technologies delivers a customized ERP solution named MEMS, meticulously designed to seamlessly integrate with the distinct requirements of your organization. Thank you all for tuning in to watch our ERP solutions video. If you ever find yourself in need of ERP integration services, don't hesitate to reach out to MindSpark Technologies. We're here to assist you in streamlining your business operations for greater success.